Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix this error if it is coming inside your terminal. So if you just type here code dash, this error message will display right here. Code is not recognized as an internal or external command. This is actually a shortcut by which we can open the VS Code, which is a coding environment for coding. So it is a shortcut by which we can develop open VS Code in a folder. So if this shortcut is not working, in that case we haven't added the VS Code location in the path. So it's an easy fix to fix this problem here. You first of all need to find out where VS Code is residing. So you just need to search here Visual Studio Code and just right click right here and see open file location, and by default it's stored inside this. Again click, so this shortcut will come right here. Again right click and simply open file location, and now it will tell you the exact location where it is stored right here. It is stored inside your C drive, users, and whatever is your username, then app data, local programs, Microsoft VS Code. So this is the default location. You just need to right click, copy this location, and then you need to go to environment variable. Just search here and just you need to right here click this and go to the system variable, system path variable. You will see this and edit and just add a new entry right here. Click the new button and just simply paste this complete path. So as soon as you paste this path here, now just click OK and just restart your terminal. And if you type the same shortcut once again, just type code dash, now you will see it will open VS Code in that folder. Code dash, you will see it will now open VS Code in that particular folder. So now this is a very easy fix to actually fix that error message which is coming right here. You just need to add the location of your VS Code inside your environment variable, and then that will work. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.